everybody out there in YouTube. William here. Drew and I went to the Rainforest Cafe tonight. I'd never been there. He went to the one in Niagara Falls and he said that the one here in Atlantic City is way better. I thought it was awesome. I'll definitely go back. Food was incredible. We got comped our appetizer, which was a sampler plus short ribs. I had a steak dinner. Drew went with a barbecue bacon cheeseburger meal, and had a couple drinks and everything like that. We rode a jeepney bus, which, you know, for the people in the Philippines, that is not exactly like the one that's there. It's a shorter bus. For everybody here in America, we know it is more of a coach bus or like a bachelor party bus or like the senior citizen bus. Super cheap though, cheaper than Uber and a lot safer than New Jersey Transit. All right, and we had a great time. I'm gonna put up this video and check it out. All right, have a good one. Bye. Video it. We're live at the Rainforest. Drew! Yeah! Hey everyone, that was our video and I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon for more content, and also give us some ideas of where to go next. All right, see you later. Bye.